Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another short trading video for you guys. Currently I'm in a live trade. I decided to record a live trading video for you guys so that you can see how my secret market scanner works. I used a small trading account so that everyone can relate how much money they can make, because most of the people use a small trading account. So as you can see, my account balance was $803. It's a live account, and I placed a buy order on pound USD. As you can see, the secret market scanner identified pound US dollar a buy, and according to my system rules it was a buy around here. And if you go to the shorter time frame, the price was here around S1 area and was sitting at nice support, so I took a long on my live account, and I am up more than 11%. So I am currently closing the trade with 37 pips just to show you how it works. So now you can see that how powerful my secret market scanner is, and you can grow your small account very fast. It was a single trade which I showed you, but if you have made each and every trade, you could have made more than 200 pips, and I just made 37 pips and my account got increased 11%. So now you can imagine the power of the secret market scanner. Currently I'm offering this scanner for a very low price, but you will have to act fast, because sooner I'm going to raise the price of the scanner due to huge demand. So please email support@FxChildsplaySignals.com to grab a copy of your secret market scanner and make tons of money daily. I hope you liked the video. Please join my free Telegram channel and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you.